Welcome back to Tech Unleashed. Are you a big coffee lover? Then I have the best gadget for you, the Breville Precision Brewer. This coffee maker has everything you need to make the perfect cup of coffee, from a built-in grinder to temperature control. This coffee maker has a built-in grinder, so you can always get the perfect grind size for your coffee. It also has temperature control, so you can brew your coffee at the perfect temperature. And the thermal carafe keeps your coffee hot for hours. The Breville Precision Brewer is a great choice for coffee lovers because it's so versatile. You can use it to make a variety of coffee drinks, from espresso to cold brew. And it's also really easy to use and clean. If you're a coffee lover, I highly recommend checking out the Breville Precision Brewer. You won't be disappointed.